A case many thought was over may now actually be headed back to court.
Yeah, the Colorado Court of Appeals threw out the criminally negligent homicide convictions of the two former paramedics convicted in Elijah McClain's death. 9 News reporter Ria Shaw spoke with an advocate close to the McClain family about what this means to possibly go through this process all over again, Ria.
Yeah, Kim, and Elijah McClain's family hasn't officially made any sort of statement, but the advocate we spoke with said this is a family that is trying to heal. And with both former paramedics on probation, she's wondering why should this family have to go back to court and hear this all again? And Schaffner remembers the courtroom.
I did sit in the courtroom. I held Shanine's hand,
where she sat next to Elijah McClain's mother for 3 weeks, as jurors heard how Elijah was stopped by police, restrained, and injected with ketamine before he died.
We hurt together when we heard and watched the scene of that horrific night play out. I don't know why we are asking this family to relive that pain. Why?
Paramedics Jeremy Cooper and Peter Chikuniak were convicted of criminally negligent homicide in that trial back in 2023. This week, those convictions were reversed.
As we are right back here to the starting line of a story that should have never existed.
The appeals court ordered new trials for both paramedics, saying the jury was not given clear enough instructions before they deliberated on the criminally negligent homicide charges.
I don't understand why Peter Chikuniak or Cooper, for that matter, would want to be retried in this case. Neither one of them are serving behind bars.
Cooper was sentenced to 14 months in jail with work release and probation. Chikuniak received 5 years in prison, but in 2024, his sentence was reduced to 4 years of probation.
Justice looks hopeless right now. I haven't ever said that before.
Now, nearly 7 years after Elijah McClain died, his family and community may be pulled back into a courtroom again.
We will be in court. There will not be an empty seat in those pews. Shanine McClain is an expert in a story that none of us want to star in. And I can't believe we are asking her again to walk this impossible journey. This is not right.
Chikuniak's second-degree assault conviction for the unlawful administration of drugs still stands. Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser said his office does plan to appeal this decision. So the question of whether these former paramedics will be retried still is unsettled. Reporting live in Denver, Ria Shaw, 9 News.